Attorney, sabi mo magkakilala kayo ni Ramir. Way back when? Kasal na ba kami?
I don't know.
Paano nga ba kayo nagkakilala noon? Can you tell me?
Naging acquainted kami, pero I don't remember kung business-related or something that has to do with legalities. Pero one time lang yun.
A one-time thing only? And I thought it was an affair. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just joking. I guess it's my way of coping with my husband being in the hospital. Alam mo, mabilis kasi ako magduda. Lalo na pag may mga babaeng lumalapit sa asawa ko. You know that my husband is a very good-looking man. At maraming nahuhumaling sa kanya. Actually, maraming umaaligid sa kanya, pero ako pa rin ang naguti. Mahal ko yun eh.
And I'm sure your husband loves you.
Kaya nga, nagpakasal kami sa isa't isa. Dahil mahal namin ang bawat isa, siya na naging buhay ko. Sila ng anak ko. But sometimes, people make mistakes. They give in to temptations. Early in our marriage, my husband cheated on me. Sorry, bakit ko nasasabi sa'yo ang lahat ng ito, but I just feel na you're so easy to talk to. I don't know why.
Well, we can actually talk about other things.
Ang sabi sa akin ni Ramir, one time lang daw yun nangyari. But you know what? I can't help think that there's something more to it. Namimiss ba niya yung babaeng yun? Minahal ba niya yung babaeng yun? Sumasagi nga sa isip ko eh, na what if naanakan niya yung babaeng yun? Tapos hindi lang nila sinasabi sa akin. Hindi lang nila sinasabi sa akin yung babae niyang home record. Hindi na raw niya nakita yung babaeng yun. At kung ano man ang nangyari between them during that one-night stand at ano man ang naging resulta nun, eh wala nang obligasyon doon yung asawa ko. After all, come to think of it, yung babae na pumatol sa asawa ko, kung iisipin ko, wala siyang kwentang tao. At kung nagkaanak man sila, wala rin siyang kwentang ina dahil inabandona niya yung anak niya. So kung nag-ghost niya si Ramir, I'm sure nag-ghost na niya yung anak niya, di ba?
We cannot actually make accusations because we don't know the whole story. So it's hard to judge.
Sa bagay, you're right. Because you're not a judge. You're a lawyer. Attorney, paano mo nga pala i-defend yung mga babaeng tulad ng babaeng yon na basta na lang nang iwan sa kanyang anak? Napakasama, di ba?
Eh, hindi naman dapat iniiwan ng anak.
Tama naman. Hindi talaga dapat nang iiwan ng anak. Oh, how many kids do you have?
One.
Are you sure you only have one?
Yes, I have one daughter and she's a lawyer.
Wow! Nagmana pala sa'yo ang anak mo. She's following after your footsteps. Ito nga namang mga anak natin, ano? Ginagaya nila ang kanilang mga magulang.